Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your Preet. In this video, we are going to build a stunning landing page, one-page website using Woodmart theme. So don't skip this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. Here we are on our WordPress dashboard. If you did not yet have a WordPress installed on your hosting provider, and if you are still confusing to choose best hosting for WordPress website, I can recommend you Hostinger or Bluehost. You can choose any of these and you will find link in description to get extra discount. So let's get start this video. So before we go into video, we will make sure as always our permalinks are set to post name. So here we will go to our setting and click on permalinks. In the permalinks, we will make sure our permalinks set to post name. The next step, we will install our Woodmart theme. Woodmart theme is one of the best e-commerce theme and you can build a stunning website using Woodmart theme. So once you already purchase your Woodmart theme, here we will click on appearance, click on themes. To purchase Woodmart theme, you will also find link in description to get a discount. So in the theme section, we will install our theme as I already purchased my theme here. I already upload this file here. And in your case, you have to click on add new theme and then you have to upload your theme file. Make sure you are going to upload zip file, not RAR file. So here, click on upload theme. Here you have to provide upload zip file and install now. After you click on install, and you have to activate here right away. This is the same process here. In the theme section, we are going to activate our theme here. After you activate your theme, this is the our setup website where we will do our basic setup of Woodmart theme. Here we will click on let's start. In next step, it will ask you to provide license, verify license key. You have to find your license key in Invento dashboard. In the next step, we will choose our website builder. We will choose Elementor. Here, in the next step, it will ask you if you would like to install Woodmart child theme. Why we need a child theme? In future, if you have any problem with your main file or main theme, sometime your website files broken and your website cannot be reached, or you want to do some customization in the code or in the backend, and this child theme will protect your layout. So in that case, you have to install your child theme as well. So let me skip for now. In the next step, we will choose our website builder and we will choose Elementor, because Elementor is easy to customize websites. Because with the Elementor, you can easily customize your website, and this is beginner friendly also. Here, let me choose Elementor is already choose here. Click next step. In the next step, it will ask you to install these required plugin. First, we have Elementor. Second, we have Woodmart Core and WooCommerce Contact Form 7, MailChimp for newsletter, and Save SVG. It will allow you to upload SVG file on your website. So let me go ahead, click on install and activate all. So this will save your time. Just go ahead, install and activate all, but you can install one by one all these. So it will take little time. So now our plugin start installing and we have to wait here till our all plugin being installed. It won't take too much time. While you're waiting, please do not refresh your WordPress page. You have to stay on this page. So our all plugin successfully installed on our WordPress server. The plugin used for functionality of website, what functionality we want to provide. In those cases, we use these plugins. For example, Woodmart Core is required in order to get Woodmart functionality, like you want to install demo content and you need to have some theme setting. Without Woodmart Core, you will not able to do those things. So these two plugins are required. First is Elementor, then Woodmart Core. Now our all plugin has been installed. Let me click here next step. In the next step, we will choose our layout, because in this tutorial we are going to build a single landing page, one page website. But if you are looking for complete e-commerce website, how to customize it, and you will find out link in description for complete tutorial. I already upload a lot of video about Woodmart. You also can find playlist, Woodmart playlist on my channel. So in this step here, we will scroll down and we will look for single template. What that means? Single template, one page template. So we will install and customize that template later on. So we will build stunning e-commerce website. You also can build any type of business website or portfolio website, single portfolio website using those single layout templates. You have to just, for example, here we have corporate. If I click on library view, this is actually single page, one page template. And this is looks nice. If you click here services, it bring you to service section. These menu tabs are not static pages. These bring you to down section. So this is completely one page website. So if you decide to build a business website, I already create video on how to build a business website. You can watch that one. So here, let me go back and I scroll down, and we will choose our e-commerce template here. Keep scroll down. Here we have landing gadget. The name of this template is landing gadget. If I click on live review, and this is how it look like, and this is really nice widget and color combination and animations, beautiful. You can display number of products here in the single page. If you have a limited product and you want to sell online, you can use single page template. Example, if you have 5 products, 10 product, or a single or 2 product, you can use landing page or one page website. That's really good option for you. You don't need to create a complete heavy website for those product if you have a very limited products. If I scroll down, there are product options, and we will customize all these things, even header and footer. So if you not yet subscribe my channel, please hit subscribe and like my videos. I really appreciate that. I bring nice complete tutorial time to time without waste any time, and direct straight to point. I always talk straight to the point and focus on my work. So let me go back and we will click import this template. Click on import, and now process has been start. It will goes up to 100%. So we will wait here. While you're installing this template, please do not refresh your WordPress page. So this may cause break your layout. So we have to stay here till it complete 100%, and it will let you know once your template already installed on the server. So we will wait here. As you can see, our template successfully installed. And now let's click on next step. In the next step, we will see this congratulations. You have successfully installed our theme. Now you will see some options here like view homepage, WooCommerce setup. You can click directly here if you wanna do WooCommerce setup before you go to the theme setting option or theme builder. You can go one by one, or you can follow me. First, we will work on our main pages, categories, and then we will look for product if our product are good to go, because now we install completely the demo content, and now we need to remove the those files, and we have to put our own products, right? So we are not going to sell our demo content because this is copyright, so we have to be carefully and remove. Actually, we use demo content to bring the layout completely as it build, right? But we have to provide own things, own title, descriptions, own images installed. As you can see, this looks good. Now let's go to first our theme setting option, and then we will go header builder and footer builder. Let me click on theme setting. Here in the general option, we have to choose our header layout. If you select here, we have a multiple header layout. Okay, so this is our dashboard here, home page, and we will start customizing from the header section, and then we will check other layouts and divide into different section, like if we scroll down, then we can set here product section, about us section, contact us section to the end of the page, like newsletter. Then we can go to our footer section. So let's start from our header section. To customize header section, we have to visit Woodmart and click on header builder. And here we have to look at this one, comes with the star, the header landing gazette. Why they put a star? So you will understand this particular item is attached on the home page. So this header is belong to header landing gazette. So we will start customizing it. To customize our header section, we will just go to edit. Make sure you visit correctly Woodmart header builder, and then you have to edit the star one, the item. There will be a star. So this is our header area. We have logo, main menu, account, search, wish list, cart. So something similar to this. Now we will start from our changing our logo. This is Woodmart logo. So here I will hover to the logo section, and you will see this little small pencil icon. Click on edit here, and then you will see option logo image. You have to upload your logo here. Let me upload my logo. You can make a beautiful logo in Canva. That let me choose any logo just to show you. I'm randomly choosing any logo here and use this image. Click on it, and now the logo image will be selected here. So first I will save and save header. Don't forget to save header every time you make changes, so you will able to check your logo if your logo has proper width or height. So let me refresh this page to check my logo if I need to adjust the logo or it's already in good size. So let me refresh. Let me go back, save header. Make sure you select here desktop, and later on we will also customize for the mobile phone. For the mobile header unit, you have to click here mobile option in the same header area. Okay, so header landing page, let me rename it first, my header. So I have put my name here. I give this name my header, and I save header. Click on save header. Now I will go to my theme setting to check if my this particular header selected there. So I will go to theme setting, click on general. In the general option, you have to check your header layout if the same layout selected there. So we will able to customize it further. Yeah, here in the general there is a layout option. Make sure you choose my header. We just rename in the backend, right? So here you have to choose my header, then save options. Some case you will not see this effect here right away. You have to clear your cookies, or you have to open your website into new tab. So let me check. As you can see, we have our logo there, but it looks bigger. We have to reduce the width and height. You have other option to customize or edit your header section. Just hover your mouse to Woodmart, go down to the header builder, and you will find option edit current header. Both options are similar. So let me adjust my logo. Let me click again edit logo and reduce its width to 140. And don't forget to click here save and again save header. Now I will refresh to check if my logo width and height looks perfect. You can use white color logo here. But if you want to change the banners here, the orange color, then you can make your logo to the dark one if you have a white background, right? Yeah, we have logo now. Then next we have menu sections, my account, search, wish list, and cart. And the something same to here in the backend. So if I hover my mouse to main menu and click edit, and here it will ask you to create menu. So first, before we create menu, we have to check our main layout and what type of stuff we want to display in the header section. So we will divide our layouts according that. For example, this section you can make about us or something here about us. If they click here, another item in the menu like product, they will come down to product section. They will just quickly jump because we are building one page website, right? So if I click edit with Elementor and I will wait till our Elementor area open, so I will explain more clear way. So this is our customizing area. I will let us scroll down and we can start from this section. And we have here image, or here we can start from here about us. We can display about us or our product or our company if they, and this is whole one item. This is the visit, one container, right? Because our main goal, when they click on the menu section, they jump to the right section on the one page. And then we have scroll down. We can scroll down here and there are security and protection, or you can display your service. You can easily add it. If you are building for business portfolio or single page, then you can easily add it, display your services here. Then you can make this section as service section. If we scroll down further, we have a product section where we will link this product section and display my product or our product in the main menu when we build our main menu. So first, let's start deciding what type of menu section we want to keep. If I scroll down this section, I want to make this section about us. So I will click here, hover your mouse to the edit container section, the between one, that three dot here, click on it and go to advanced section. In the advanced section, you will see option CSS ID. In the CSS ID, we have to put only the name of the section. The person, they click on about us, they will jump to this CSS ID, this here. Okay, let me choose CSS ID about, and now along with that I will keep all my record and I copy the about section CSS ID. Let me open my notepad here. Okay, so number one section will be about, and then scroll down. We can make this section as offer, current offer, or latest deals. Okay, then you have to again click edit container, come here advanced section, CSS ID, offer or offers. So number two item will be in the menu of offers. Number two, offers. Let me further go down where we will display our product. So in the offer section, if they scroll down, they will see the here offers. If they further go down, they will see the product section here, product section. Okay, if you want to display just the product with the slider, and we can do that one instead of using this uh, information about the mobile phone. Let me delete this one. We don't need it. We want to keep this product section, like, because most people, they will love to just to display their product, even how many product they have. Okay, or you can do one thing here. Click on plus icon, and here click on Xtemos templates. Now you have a lot of pre-built templates here. So in the all section, let me choose category or products. So we will able to display product, featured product or products. Yeah, because in the landing page, we want to display also our product. So I will choose this one or this one. Click on insert. Now this will be our product section. We will link to our menu, our product. If I scroll down, it's here. So I have to copy this section from here, copy. You can right click the section and copy. Come here where you want to display your product. For example, this was here, our offers. Scroll down, they will see our product, something here. Or if you don't like any section, you want to delete, like this section, the mobile phone you don't like, and instead of this you want to display product, just a simple hover your mouse to the delete container. Okay, now let me click here plus button, so I have one more container, so where I will able to just right click and paste my. So here I will click on paste, and now we have our product section. Okay, now product section, we will link to our menu later on as our product. So let me hover first my mouse to this particular whole section. So if we click here, the three container added section, this will cover all the section we just put here. Click on three dot added section and again come to advanced, and CSS ID will be here, our products. Sorry, or you can display only products. Now let me copy the CSS ID and I will take note. Number third will be our products. Okay, now after product, what else we want to display? If you have service, if you want to display service, you can use this template here. Or instead of this, if you want to anything else, just for example, I don't want this one. Instead of this, I want to display something else. Let me cancel this one, and let me cancel this mobile phone also. Okay, so I have space here, so let me also delete down one. Okay, so here I have space. Now I have to put my favorite container here again, or pre-built stuff. So let me click here. When you click the plus icon here, it will open the four items here. Just click on the first one, the last one, Xtemos template. Okay, let me click on it, and now you have to decide what else you want to display here. If you want to display like contact us, we can click to call to action, then we can put that particular section there. So for example, earlier we display offers, you can use this template for the offers. So if I click on insert, and particular section will be inserted on the home page. Sometime it drop to the down section, just to copy from there. For example, here, just to come over down section and copy the whole section, copy. Okay, just you can delete now because you already copy. Now come over to the section where you want to display that particular section and click plus icon, open this box to paste our section we just copy. Yeah, here. So let me close my sidebar to check. Yeah, looks good. We have products. This way you can use different templates you have requirement. But in your case, you might want to build something else or portfolio or any business company. Then the process is very same. Just you have to find the relevant items. Click on HTML templates. Then you can select, click on all. You can try out to check all the section you required. For example, business, we can use this one, the grantor of the success, and we have some more section. For the map, you can use this one. Then later on you can link to the menu section, click on map, so they will come to down section, down the page. We have testimonials. Example, I wanna, so testimonials we don't require because this is our e-commerce website. Or you can use any section, relevant section here. Here I wanna use here. This section I will delete because we already have product section now. And also this is clickable, which is nice thing. And now after this section, before subscribe us, let me click on plus icon one more time and XML template. Now I wanna add one more item. You can use the sale or promo section. Let me click on insert. And scroll down if you find that section here. Let me delete extra. Sometime it drop to the down section of the page. Just you have to copy from there. Copy. And now you can delete from the down section where you can display like our sale, new products, etc. So let me paste it here. Yeah, looks perfect. So if they click on products, all products, they will come this section. If they click sale product, they will come to this particular section on the menu. So we will keep it all in the one page. We will not make it longer. Okay. According your requirements, what requirements you have? First, you have to structure your page. What type of item you wanna on your home page. Then before subscribe apps, I wanna add contact us. So let me again click plus icon before subscribe us, XML templates. Now let me find contact us. You have option to showcase subscriptions. If you are building for the subscription, then you can use subscription based templates here. Let me click all and now find contact us. And we will also set up review, customer reviews, because that is important. Testimonial column 2, subscriber reviews, we can use this one. We have a FAQ section. If you want to add FAQ section to the page, let me scroll down to the subscriber reviews, and we will make change to customer reviews. Let me insert. So before we go into customization, we will make sure our page structure is good to go. Let me copy from the down section. So we will add here, paste. Okay, then let me off sidebar to check. Yeah, we can add about us, where this is about us section, and we will customize it. About our business, anything, it can be anything. In this section, you can display about how many products sold and free shipping, something stuff here. And then if you don't like this font, you can delete this section. But if you wanna customize it, just go ahead, right click, edit image, and left side change this image. But if you don't want, just cancel it. Okay. Yeah, here you can specify the sale product or new product in these sections, and then you can display here buy now direct, so they will able to buy directly. Add to cart, even they can add to cart these products, one section, two section, three, four. We don't need too much section here. We want to keep limited sections here. For example, here you can display one product down, and that's all. Okay, let me cancel all these, but if you want to use, you can use these sections. Okay, perfect. Now let me off my sidebar to check. Yeah, if looks good, here products, and then we have sale products. Best way to organize, you can display your offers, how many days left or subscribe now. Okay, if you don't require, just cancel it. After the product, we have customer reviews. We want to give little space after this, because this looks very near this section. I want to give some space here. Check out our product, this is very near to this section. So what I will do, I will click this particular box, edit section, and come over here, advanced. Now we will also add our CSS ID for this particular subscriber reviews, and we will change reviews, only reviews or customer reviews. So first let me give space. To give space, come to this section margin. First uncheck here, link value together, uncheck, click one time. When there are zeros, just you're good to go to put value. Just to put value on the top, select 0 and select with the mouse 0 and put 11, sorry, in the padding put 11, 22, like that. 22, for example, 22, try out 22 if there is a enough space, and if you require more space, put 44, like that. There is a more space now. Okay, now CSS ID, along with that we will add here reviews. So this is our reviews section. So let me copy for my menu. Number 4, reviews. Sections can be different. If you want to add something else, so you can name it, so you will not forget when we create our menu. So once we have this list, that will be easy for us to, when we create menu, we easily add these sections codes. Make sure your CSS ID very same when you create your menu, put in the menu section. Okay, so this is our reviews section. Now I want to customize it from subscriber reviews to customer review. Let me click with the mouse, and left side there is a subtitle, title. You can change it here. Customer reviews. Okay, good. And then in the description, you can change this description. And you also can edit your reviews by clicking anywhere, right click, edit testimonials. And you have an item list here. Expand one by one and write your reviews here. Okay, image resolution you can keep to thumbnail, name of the person, then title, the company name here, then in the description provide testimonial words. Okay, now you have option to leave review, but if you don't want to provide option to leave review, just bring your mouse here to the leave review button, right click, delete, that's all. Now this subscribe us is very near again, so I will give again margin or padding, edit container, and advanced. In the top value I will add more value, or sorry, I have to use the padding margin here. In the margin I will put 33 or 44. Yeah, Perfect. And now you can make this a section as newsletter if you require. Downside, let me review. So we have a clean interface of our landing page now. So if you wanna add back end, because here in the back end we have a little dull color, not white, and here there is a white. You can change this. You can add a different color in the background. So here there is a extra space here. We don't want that. So let me click on add a container. I'm sure there is a value in padding or heading. Let me click on advanced. Yeah, you can see here bottom there is a huge value 220. So let me reduce it to 7788. Yeah, perfect. But in the margin I want to give some margin to the bottom. In the bottom I put 44. So in down section should be little space for the animation. Looks good now. Okay, but if you want to make it same value in the upper side, downside, make sure there is a same value in the bottom and top. Let's add in the top 88 also. Yeah, looks very same perfectly. Or you can reduce to 55, which is very genuine space. I don't want to give too much space in the section. So looks good. Then come over here, you want to change. You can display about your business or company, and scroll down. There is a offer section, product section, and then sales or reviews, sales product. You can make it this section as sales, because let me check our sections. We already have offer section. Okay, for the offer section you can change this offer section to the this particular section. But if you want to display your sale product here, that's then good to go. So people, when they click on offer, they will come here and check the offer. You can display your product here, and here instead of view more, you can link, put your product link, so they will click, they come to this right product. I will show you later on how to do that. For example, let me go to my product. First I would recommend to put some products. Remove the demo content and put your own products, also the categories, because in the landing page we want to display, we can display minimum stuff, right? Because this is not whole website. In the whole website we can have separate shop page, but here you also can add separate home shop page if you want. But if you want to keep the landing page, the one page you want to display everything, then you have to manually find product you want to display in the home page. So people come over to the offer section, they will see this product, they click here buy now. When they click all product, they come to this section or product section. When they click on sale product, they come to this section. In the menu we will add all these things. Okay, so before subscribe us, I wanna now add contact us. That's all. We will not make it longer. So that's very good length of our landing page. Call to action. And now scroll down. Let me find contact us, the form. So they will able to directly fill the form if they wanna contact us. If they wanna ask any query about our product, they can contact us simply. So you can find different templates here. Depends on your niche, what type of website you wanna build. You can use these beautiful background templates, or you can use this as a about us, right? I will show you also. Let me scroll down to find, yeah, here it is. We have a map, but we are looking for the contact us. Yeah, here, this is enough. So let me click on insert. So here we will display about our company phone number, or here find our company, and then we will link to contact us. So let me copy this element, copy, and come over above the subscribe us. If you not see box, this box, just click plus add container, and you will see this same box. Within the box, right click, make sure within the box, paste. And now about our contact us section is here. So I want to give again some space. Make sure when you're using a margin or paddings, make sure same value you put, because in the upper side we put 44 by 44 value. Here 44 44, you can use same value in all, so you have a properly space between the elements. So let me click here and advance. In the padding, I will give value 44, and in the down section I also give 44 also. Then I will come over to the down section to ensure there is a no extra value. If there is extra value to the down section, there is a margin. Let me first delete, yeah, here. So there is a 66 value, so I will reduce it to 44 also. So there is a similar space between the elements. Looks good. Okay, if you want to give more space here, you can give. Click here, 66, and you can leave the bottom section to 44. That's okay. You can click close this box to check if there is a enough space here. Now I want to make this section contact us. So let me click on edit section, this particular area. But if you don't wanna use this map, you can easily hover your mouse to the map and delete. Right click with the mouse, delete. And now our map has been deleted. But here, instead of map, you can display image here about our company. Then you have to you will see in Extremos template, click on here, add element, and here image or SVG, just drag it here slowly, because we will use here image instead of map, like that. Then let me choose other, it looks very smaller, and because the section is about or contact us, so I have to find something similar or relevant image, like this image. You can close the left sidebar to check if there is a image looks good. If not, then you have to put another image, like that. Looks good, but you can make it align to the left side, right side. Go to style section and align to the center here. Now looks good about our company. And then, okay, good. Now let me make it contact us. Edit section, scroll down to CSS ID contact. Now I copy this CSS ID for my form here. Number 5 menu will be contact us. Contact. Now we have about, we will add home. So let me add home section here. The first one here. I will right click here with the mouse, edit container, advanced, and CSS ID home. Okay. Now we have also home now. Home. Now we are good to go for the menu. Before we go to menu, we can customize our all these sections. You can display here, you can edit your title here by clicking, right click, edit section title, and you can change all these things. Description, come over to description, click here, edit your paragraph here for the description. And buy now or view more, if you wanna delete view more button, just come over, hover your mouse to the view more, right click, delete. Now view more button has been deleted. Now we have only buy now. So we can display here the latest product here, anything. Then we have these sections, looks beautiful. Then you can edit, simply edit, come to each box separately, right click, edit information box. This is information box, which you can easily customize it. Now icon section, text, you can use icon here. Now I will use icon here. Let me go to icon. Then you have to put your image here or icon. Let me go to text. In the text section, I will put free. I want to make this section free shipping, right? Free. And then go to content section. And where is the title? Our life. I will make this to shipping. Free shipping. And down section, the box for the description. Just change it. Free shipping to USA. Example. You can try out by close the section. You can customize all these sections according you. The process is same for all these boxes. Let's go here. About us. You can provide about us here. Title, about your company, what you're selling. And if you want to delete these Snapdragon 4 gig RAM, come over to each section, or just one time you will see here little gray container along with these 4 sections, gray color. Right click, delete. Now you can easily add more description here. You have a more space here about yourself or about company you can display here. Now let me show you how to display different product here. For example, here you want to display your first product here. Okay, let me go to my product sections. In the products, click all products. I'm using demo product just to show you for now, but in your case you have to upload your own products before you go to customize it. Now let's try to add any particular product. Let me first view all the product. You can view by clicking view on the product. Right click on the view and it will open into new tab. So I will give you an idea how to display different product. When they click shop now or buy now, add to cart, they will immediately go to this particular item, right? And we will also do rest of work, our header and footer section later on. So this is our the product section. main product, but it has more description, nice written description here. Let me try other product. Let's go to this iPhone dock. Let me view to check this iPhone dock. Yeah, perfect. I want to display this iPhone dock to the here, to the main section, iPhone dock here. So first I will do, I need image to display here, right? Because when we upload product, we already have these images in the backend in the gallery. Then we can simply come here, right click, edit image. Then we can simply choose image, because we already have image in the gallery. When you upload your product, your image all will be saved here. Then you can easily select dock here, your phone dock here, right? It's the phone, white color. So you will find it in your gallery. Yeah, here it is. This one, I think this one, and click select. Now our image has been changed here. Let me go to iPhone dock, example this one. And then here in the title I will display nice words here. So you can get the words from your main product, what you want to display, something catchy lines. For the title, you can also copy the title, display here. You can put into subtitle the item name, or in the title, main title, iPhone dock. And in the description, click on the description, and in the box provide about information about this particular product. Okay, this is very easy. Now let me show you the main important thing here, the buttons, how they should work. One side we have a view more, one side to the shop. Let me click on it. Okay, example, to buy. I want to make this button buy this product. So first let me go to this product, particular product. I click on view. Okay, I view here this product. I have to copy its link. You can also copy the link in each product by go to view, right click on the view, copy link address, because we need link, right, to display on the button. Here it will ask you button. So I will here, instead of to shop, I will name it buy now. Buy now. And in the link I can put that link I just copy. So they will click here buy now, they will come over to this particular item page, right? Now buy now. Another button I wanna make, you can make it anything, about us section, contact us, because this is our single page, so we don't need to have more buttons. So because we not have extra pages, so they will, because we are working on single page. So I want to use only buy now, so I will delete the learn more. So I don't want to keep all those things. Okay, when you put longer description here, this will looks good, but you can adjust the image, make it little smaller. Click on image and go to style, and you can try out a different in the content, image resolution, thumbnail. You can try out if you want to make smaller image, like a medium, so your section looks good, very same height. When you put here description, longer description, this will be aligned. So let me go to this size. Yeah, looks good, this size. Let me go to full, and let's go to next product. This way you can display different product. First you have to decide what type of product you want to display there. Okay, same here. You can display product. If you don't want to keep a lot of these things stuff, you can delete one from here, or this one upper one, or this down one. Okay, we don't want to mess up with a lot of stuff here, so we want to keep clean landing page, not longer. Okay, so we have customer reviews, our contact us, we can display our company information and subscribe. We can also put some buttons like a track now or something very easily. Okay, so now let me save changes. Make sure you edit all these things one by one. Okay, which is important here, the product section, the furniture, lighting, so they will click here, they will able to see in the same landing page. They don't need to visit different category pages, which is nice thing. So let me right click here, edit Ajax product tabs. Then left side you will see three options: general, image and tabs. Click on tabs. Tabs used for to display different category product. These tabs upper side. And then we have a image, general, and general you can display here. You can make it like our products or products, like that. Looks good. Yeah, you can display like this way. I want to give little space, but it's okay, looks good. But you can give some space here for the both upper side and down side. Let me uncheck it first. In the top 11, in the bottom 11 also, so there is a, or you can try out 22 in the top and the bottom 22 as well. You can check there is a good space between the products, because if they hover they will see large image. So so make sure it not disturb the downside section. You can give more space here in the bottom if you want. 44 looks good. Now don't forget to click on publish right away, so you save your changes. So now let me right click again, Ajax product tab. Let's go to tab section, and let me first open furniture tab. Here, first one, furniture. In the furniture tab, if you scroll down, you don't see anything. It selected all product, right? So even you select any of these, you will see same products, because we did not align, we did not assign anything here. So first you have to create your category in the backend. To category, go to under the WooCommerce product section. In the products you will see categories. Click on it. First create your categories you want to display there. That will be easier for you later on to do customizations. And then after you create your category, then you have to, you will able to first open the tab furniture. Data source should be, if you want to display sale product, for example, if you want to display this section only sale product in the furniture, or instead of furniture you can make it on our sale or sale product. In the lighting, instead of lighting you can make it a featured product, different tabs. Okay, then you have to, in the data source you have to choose wisely according your section. So if you want to go with category wise, then instead in the data source, let me scroll down, products with new label, best, let me choose all product and scroll down. Okay, here in the category section, when you choose all product, you will see category or tags. Now let me search my furniture, FUR. When you start typing, it will immediately pull up the category. Just select it. And now if they click furniture, they will only see furniture product because we set data source here and we select category here. Okay, because our product is demo product, so that's why they are not aligned properly. When you create your category, start adding your product and properly select your category, then these things will automatically work. Just you have to work in the back end to create categories correctly. When you add product, for example old product, then you have to make sure you allow, you choose correct categories. Okay, those things will automatically fix here. Just you have to rename all these tabs. To rename it, instead, for example furniture, in the query we always choose the category, or the we give command what type of product should be displayed in the furniture section. If you click here text, you will see option text, you will see tabs title. Here you can put anything like new product, sale product. Then you have to come back to the query section to set sale products. Let me show you one example here. Instead of furniture, I want to display sale product. First, I will come over to text section to make it sale products. So we can make one section, complete section for the menu. They just click on our product, they will immediately come over here. They don't need to visit downside. But if you want to keep it separate thing, then that's good also. Then you can choose categories here. So sale product I already provide hand and it's displaying here sale product. Now go to query section. Instead of all product, select sale product. It will automatically pick sale product, and make sure you delete this category. Now you will see we have only sale product here. This one product on sale 13% off, and only see sale product. Then same way you can we need to change this icon also. So for the icon, earlier we changed text, click on text. Now click on icon to change its icon here. Then click on edit section, the complete section. Make sure there is a CSS ID you can put here, products. So in later on we will add this same item products to the menu tab. When they will click, they will jump to this section right away. So let me save changes. This way you can create and edit all. The process is same as here. We done sale product for the all. Then let me check if there is a CSS ID we add here. Not yet, but you can add CSS ID. And for like sale, we want one more tab here, sale. We already have offer. Okay, product review contact, home should be in the number one. Later on I will do it. So now we have to make changes to the review, our company and information. Every time you wanna edit anything, just hover your mouse, and if you're not able to write, double click, and you not see here, you can right click and edit text block, or you can double click. Just double click and left side you will see the box to make changes. For example number, double click on number, and left side just to change your number, double click it, and here change again. Click publish, don't forget to click publish. Okay, so now we have done our homepage sections. Please also you can make here changes. After we do changes, this will look very nice. You can try out by clicking here review changes. You can review your landing page if how it look like. When you review, it will look like beautiful, and it's working perfectly. Our product, as you can see here, this is very close our product to this phone, so you can give one space here. Okay, let me go back this section, or you can add any line here. Let me click on plus add section, and here left side add element. You can drag section title. You can drag, let me show you. Let me scroll down, and we have a lot of things here, elements. Keep scroll down, you will find here spacer, or yeah, you can use spacer. If you confuse with the adding the padding in the advanced padding or margin, you can simply use this tool. Just where you want to give space, for example above the our product, first click on add section and left side add element and search for space. When you start entering SP, you will find out spacer. Just to drag spacer where you want to give space and adjust your space here, how much space you want to give, like that. Okay, if you don't want to confuse with the margin or padding, you can use this one, spacer, between any elements. Then close the sidebar to check how much space is there. If looks good, then go ahead, click publish. Now let's create our menu section, which is important. So we have a list of our elements here: about tab, offer tab. Let me go to appearance and menu. So we will able to create our own menu section. Now let me click on create new menu. So we will name our menu. After we create menu, we will go next in the header, these things, my account, cart, if you want to remove anything or add anything here in the header section. First let me finish this one. So in the menu, I will name it my menu. Sorry, menu, my menu. And don't forget to select here display location, main menu. If you want to display your menu same in the mobile unit, click also mobile side menu also, and click create menu. Now we will start adding our these things. Now we will use this. I will show you how to use this, because that's why I copy all these CSS IDs, so I will match perfectly here in the menu. So let's create first home. I will go down to the custom link section, custom link. In the link text, let me make it home, and in the URL here we will use this home in the small letter home. So before we put our CSS ID in the URL, we always use hashtag and home. So it should be URL name should be very match with the CSS ID, then it work. So let me add to menu. Now we add already menu section here. Next, what we want to add, let's choose offers, number 2, offers. So I come here again to custom link. In the link text, offers, and the link, first to use hashtag and paste the same we copy earlier here. So we will match the same CSS ID. Add to menu. Let's go to third one, products, and before in the URL, make sure before you add hashtag. We have 3. Now reviews. Let me big letter reviews. Okay, click add to menu. Just you have to add one by one all these. Now we have left contact. So let me remove this dash. So yeah, in the URL put hashtag before the CSS ID. Now we have created our menu home offer product review. Now let's save menu. Now we will test our landing page if all tabs are working. Okay, now let me open my home page to check. Okay, now we have perfectly home offer product. Let me try to click now offers. As you can see, it brings to this CSS ID. Let's click on products. Very good. It's working now. Okay, this will immediately bring to that particular section. Now click on review. Very good. Now it bring to the review section. Contact. Yeah, perfect. Now everything looks good. If you want to add more item, so you have to first create your CSS ID with the templates. So let me go back to explain further about it. So because my aim always to explain you what I can do best without talking this that, I always talk straight to the point. So what left, we have to adjust our header further here, header section. So let me explain first about the colors, which is very important. You want to change colors, right? So here in the first section color, there is a background, what we call orange, yeah, yellow, orange color. This is actually the image in the backend set. How to change the backend? Let me right click, not on the element. Let me right click somewhere, edit container, and go to style. When you click on style, you will see one image there which is very same to this backend. Okay, let me give you one pro tip here. If you wanna build your website like something amazing background, first you can make your background in Canva. Canva is free. You can try out to make your background. You can search in Canva backgrounds, then you can put that image here, so it will make your, if I delete here, and you will see we have a blank, no background, but you can make adjust your color of your background by clicking color, or you can go with gradient option. Like that looks beautiful. Okay, but make sure you have correct colors. If I click on here basic, I want to make it a little like that, so we will able to, if you want to go with a dark, then you have to make your all section dark. You can leave it these as it is, then we have dark again, like that. Okay, you can play with the colors which you like. You can go like this, looks good, not very white. Yeah, but if you want to add image, click to style section, first click edit container, style section, go to background, and here you will see image option. Let me upload any image just to show you example. For the background, I want to add this background image here, and you will see it look beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. This way you can try out different backgrounds. Then you have to definitely make your titles white color. So you have to click every heading, go to style to make it white color. Come over to text and color, select white color. Okay, this way you can make changes to the colors as well. So let me, if you don't want to use any image, you want to keep it very simple, just delete that images. Now let me check if how it look like. Look beautiful. with the animated here. But if you want to keep little gray here, just you have to adjust the color here. You can match with the downside color. How to know which color use downside in the background? Just click downside. Make sure you click downside, edit container, go to style, and here it is color. Click on color and you will see downside the code. Copy it and come over to upper section, right click, edit container, style, and click on color. Paste that color we just copy from this section and it will match color. I love matching colors. Website look beautiful with the matching colors. So let me refresh and our section will be very same color. Sorry for my internet, sometime it's slow. Yeah, it's very same now and looks also beautiful. Very same. Now next section, you can decide if you want a dark color, because here again they use some color in the background. Actually those are images design. You can design images, then you can put here on your website. If you want to change color buttons or anything, come over to button, click on button, and always go to style section. If you want to change anything for the button, you can change style of button to flat to bordered like that, and this is border, looks good. You can try out link button. Not good. 3D, you can use 3D buttons which make your website beautiful. And predefined color, you can choose alternate color or any other color, gray color. Okay, you can decide the colors. How to change this color, predefined color? How to change predefined color? I will suggest you first in the theme setting, change your colors. Then you can easily select like primary. You want to add primary color here, just select it here in any section. So let me go back to the backend, go to theme setting, and let me look for style and colors. Yes, style and colors, where you will able to change your color, like primary color, secondary color, according your business, according your, because and in next video for the business people, for the portfolio, I decide to make separate video for those. Here in the style and colors, if you want to switch to dark theme, you can try out dark theme. If you select dark theme, save changes, we can check if how dark theme look like. If you wanna stay with the dark theme, you can also try the dark theme. Or if you wanna add a different color in the different section, you can also try that one. Yeah, dark looks good also. Yeah, this is what I mean. So we have dark, black, and then we have a colorful black, but this is easily you can change to white, all these tabs. Okay, looks good and also look beautiful. Okay, now let me show you how to change these tabs colors, because earlier we use white color background. So let me add it with Elementor, my main page. So I will able to show you to change its color. If you love dark color, you can go with the dark color. Okay, if you wanna learn about complete theme setting, I have complete tutorial, another tutorial where I in the playlist, I think you will find in the playlist different type of videos where I explain further about this thing. If I consider now, the video will be very longer. So here we wanna make it white. So let me right click, edit Ajax product tab, come to style, and the style you have to find tab titles. Here in the tab titles you will see color scheme is set to enable. Just select light here, and now it bring the white color, which is beautiful. You can try out other like dark, or you can also go with the custom color like custom. Then you have to choose the color you wanna display these tabs in the color. Like, let me make it white. Now I have to make white also the for the what we call icons. You can also change the hover color to make it beautiful. When you choose the color scheme here, click instead of idle, click hover, then choose the hover color like that. Looks beautiful. Scroll down, let me click on heading, so I will able to find. Let me go to tab section, open every tab section, click icon. Yeah, even you can choose the icon type with icon. Then you have to search the icon from icon library for sale product, lighting, accessory. Let me give you example sale product. Go to, because earlier we put this image here in the sale product. So now let me choose with icon library. Let me choose like sale as fire, which looks good. This icon as a sale product. You can choose icon. Now it's already white now. If I close this section, you can look here. Even you can make these things bigger. If you wanna make this only this section white color, you can easily make by clicking the edit section, go to style, and you can easily choose here like that. If you have a requirement to change color of particular section but rest you want to keep black, then you are good to go here. You can change this, but it's look then you have to change these to the again black. Style, tab titles. Now I have to choose dark here. You can try out different. Yeah, looks beautiful also. And then for that our title here, heading, title color black or red, looks beautiful. But if you don't want to use the black color is disturbing, just off from the backend. And here after we off in the style, we will go to next section colors, where we will able to change our primary color, secondary color, regular, hover. You can set for the whole website. Okay, just you have to put your website color here. Let me give you one more tip here. If you want to change, if you want to select a website color for your brand, you can search on Google a brand color, search website brand color. There are a lot of websites which give you codes. Then you have to click here and put that code here, those codes here in the section. Or you can manually decide which color you want to keep as primary. Then later on you will able to select those colors easily. Okay, let me just refresh. I already select the light one again, just to show you if you want to make changes. Now let's go to the header section. So we will complete our header section because we only complete earlier our header, our logo and our menu section, but we have to also look at other things like my account, search, wish list and cart, these things in the right side. So let me go back to Woodmart header builder. So here I will teach you, if you wanna, let me click on my header. So if you wanna add more stuff here in the header section, how you can add, and also we will optimize it for mobile phone. So we have complete logo and menu, and then we have account section. In the right side here, we have four section: search, wish list, cart. This is very same here. So which one you wanna, if you wanna delete anything from here like wish list, go ahead, hover your mouse to wish list and you will see small remove button when you hover the mouse. Now if you wanna edit the my account section, just edit it. And here if you wanna show username, here they will see username instead of the when they log in. And show login form display drop down or sidebar, you can choose. Even you can choose the style for my account. If you want to work on search section, click edit, and here show popular request. It will show which item popular automatic. When they click on search, it will show them popular items. You can enable it. If you scroll down, search with Ajax, and this is really nice, and it will immediately, when you start typing, it will immediately give you result. When you enter first two words or three words like that, it will give you suggestion right away down section. You can enable Ajax here. Result count 20. Post type is very important. If you allow them to only search for the product, they will able to only search for product. In the post type, then you choose only product here. Make sure. If you wanna enable search for all type of content, you can set to all post type and save changes. We have wish list. You can edit the wish list as well, and you can choose your icon for the wish list. This one. If you like other icon design, you can go with one. Hide product count label. It will hide how many product in the wish list. It will hide. Icon with text. It will display like this. Wish list, and it will also display the word wish list. Cart. Same in the cart. If you want to enable icon with text like cart, or you can choose any design. Now let me save header to check. So we will able to check the results right away. Now it will display icon with the text like wish list cart, this one. And now it's showing wish list the letter, and also cart icon is looking very good. Now if I click, and all these things are working now. So let's talk about something else. And if you want to set up for the mobile, select mobile here, and then look for mobile menu. It should be very same to your we set earlier. Style, because we select when we create account, we select it also for the mobile phone. Logo, you can change your mobile phone logo. You might have different logo in the mobile. You can upload your mobile logo here, and then after that, if I select my logo, after that, when you choose the width, the size, you can adjust. First you can check on the mobile unit how your website look like. If everything look good, if look bigger the the logo, then you can adjust it from here, 120 100 pixel, and save changes. Then we have a cart option. You can edit your cart section here. Now let's click on setting for the mobile. Configure header setting. If you want to make it sticky header, you can do as well. Full width header. So if I go to edit with Elementor, so I will show you how your mobile header look like. So it will give us an idea. Then I will show you how to make adjustment in the mobile header. So let me select here mobile. Yeah, here it is. This one logo will be changed. Then we have a cart. Only we have 3 item, right? So here, very same 3 item. Make sure you select here mobile, 3 item. For example, if you want to add something else in the card section, nearby the card section, but it will be very little space because we only can display, I think, 3 items here. So we don't want to mess up with the header section to make multiple items. If we click menu, it's working perfectly. This is the same thing. If we click on product, it will bring us to the product section. Looks good. And here for the mobile, you can adjust this layout for the mobile. Click on it and you can adjust in the style for the design. But if you don't want to display all these things in the upper side like sale product, even in the here in the you can simply disable all these things with by visiting here tabs, image, general. Yeah, tabs, you can delete all these tabs easily. You can delete your tabs from here. And if I click on mobile version of it, you can display in the you can disable in the mobile. If I cancel all these things, it will be deleted. Or you can do one thing here. You can keep this layout for the mobile phone, for the desktop. You can add one more layout here for the mobile, especially for the mobile. So that will visible only the mobile phone because we will set that only visible for the mobile. So let me show you. If I click add section and choose the Xremote templates, and now let me search for the products. So I will look something nice layout. For example, this one. So we will check how it look like if in the mobile option. It might be downside. Yeah, here. So let me copy it from the downside and paste it here. So let me try mobile. Yeah, it's look perfect now. We can use this layout instead of that. This one. But if you want to keep these tabs, you can definitely go with this one. But if you wanna keep for the desktop this one and this one for the mobile, do one thing. Just come over to the this first tab where we have these tabs like sale product categories. Click on edit section. Come over to advanced and scroll down. You will see responsive option. And here you have to hide this for the mobile. Hide on mobile portrait. It will hide, it will not display in the mobile. So we will display this one, and this one we will disable on the desktop. So desktop, it will display this one, and for the mobile this one. So first downside, we will hide for the mobile phone. I will hide it. Now it's hide. So okay, now I come over to the new design here, edit section, advanced, and I will enable it hide for desktop. So it will not display in the desktop. This will display in the mobile like that. Now you can see down section not visible here because we hide it for the mobile. Now this will be visible for the mobile phone. You can do this thing. You can hide section, hide on desktop. And this one you can enable for the desktop. Enable for the mobile phone. Responsive, and it's already hide it for the tablet, for the mobile. You can do this way and save changes. Or if you want to keep this new one for the both, just go ahead, add it and remove the responsive from the both. And now looks good. Let me publish it. You want to change these things, Woodmart collection, best selling product. Just come over to heading here, right click or double click, and here Woodmart collection subtitle. Make sure you change within the strong, the this is the CSS used here. So only change the between words. Best selling product, you can change this one as well, and the description downside for the product. Okay, this way you can display different tabs. Now let me check this one. So I want to make this as product. So I will click edit section, and CSS ID I will enter here products. Okay, that's all. So if I refresh my page, so when they click in the menu product, they will come here. Let me refresh here and try to click products. Products, it's products. Sorry, big letter P. So always put the CSS ID correctly. Now if I click product, yeah, perfect, it's working. Offers, product, review, contact. Perfect. Now in the mobile phone, it will look very nice as well. You want to change color of this section or any other section, just come over to edit section, go to style section. I will suggest you to put something background image here. I think I have one background image. Let me show you. If I have background image, just to show you, you can display background image, or you can change just color here, background color of this particular section, and then you have to make the titles white color. This way you can change the color of different sections. If you wanna change the background of this, like here we have orange, this is actually image backside. If you click edit section and come over to style, and this is the image uploaded here, that's why the background looks good. You can use image with background, different background in different sections. So what else we are going to now, let me remove this one. After the newsletter, we have a footer section. Now let's edit our footer section. First, let me publish. Now let me come over to my home page, refresh it. To edit the footer section, I am going to give you very simple tip here. Even you are editing header section or footer section, you have to scroll your mouse to edit with Elementor. Yeah, click on it. Or you can do one thing here. When you hover your mouse edit with Elementor, you will see option footer landing gadget. This is your footer. If you click here, it will bring you to footer section immediately. If you have any concern, just let me know in the comments. I will definitely reply you there. If you want me to create next video on different title or like business website with a single page or portfolio, I already make video on portfolio for single page. You can check that one. So this is for the e-commerce product. If we have e-commerce product and we wanna build a landing page. Now I will also show you how to display the beautiful offer sections or something else. We will try best to bring more nice layouts. First, let's finish the footer section. And I will also show you, if you don't like the layouts that comes with the demo content and you want to upload your own layout, how to do it. You want to completely change it, I will also show you that. Because most of you people, you want to upload something different, you don't like those layouts. If I show you my home page and you don't like some of the images, some of the section, you don't need it. In your case, you want to remove that one and you want to try out something different from the templates you want to use from the template. And this is our footer section. It's open here. Now we will edit our footer. Yeah, for example, you don't like this one, this one and you want to completely remove it and upload something else, I will show you also. So let's finish first footer. I want to change the logo in the footer section. I will hover my mouse to the logo, right click, edit image. If you hover little above, it will not show that option. If you just correctly above the logo section, and when you see edit image SVG, then it's good. It will open left side here. So let's change our logo for the footer. Make sure you can make the something similar size of logo. If I see here Woodmart logo, you can see here it's 369 by 53 pixel. You can keep same size when you make logo in Canva or somewhere else. Keep the same size. 350 by 50 is also okay. But this is a 600 by 300. So, but I can adjust it from the width and height, this option. It's already put here. If I delete the value, it will display the complete logo here. But I wanna make still adjustment. You can try out image resolution thumbnail or full like that, but it looks bigger. You can go to style. You can try out the different options. Custom, and now in the custom I will put 350 by 50 or 60. Let me try out different value and apply. Okay, because my logo is more bigger, so I have to first create this logo with this particular size. Let me give you the size so you have idea. When you create in Canva, just to make sure you will correctly uh, set the size, particular size, or you can crop it easily with the desktop. First download your logo to your desktop and crop it. You also can crop it here. Even first you have to select your logo and you will see option edit image. Here, click on crop. You can crop your logo here easily. For example, we want to only display the letters like that, and this will auto adjust you. Beautiful. Okay, now we will bring the same size here, 350 by 70. That's okay also. 350, and I want to go with the same 400. 470 by 70 is good. Now let's click on crop. Sorry, let me fix it again. Now click on apply crop. Here, this one. Apply crop and save edits. Click on save edits. Don't forget to click save edits, these things. Now select again our logo. Just select it. And now you will see perfectly. Let me select the full, and now you will see perfectly configured. Our logo is perfect. Looks beautiful. Now let's go to our menu section, these tabs. Let me add it. You can click here the pencil icon to edit these things. So this is selected here, different menu for the footer. But if you wanna stay with the different option in the footer, because mostly time we wanna display privacy policy, shipping policy, these things. So you have to check here which menu is selected here. The menu is selected here, footer menu landing gazette. So what I will do, I will go to appearance, menu, and I will select the same footer section, footer menu landing gazette. So here select a menu, footer menu landing gazette, this one, and select. Now you can easily change this footer. The same thing is come out. The same things. You can easily edit these things. Make sure you already have privacy policy page ready and upload in the pages in the backend. Then you have to click view all and your all pages will be displayed here. Just select your pages like that and add to menu. The old one you can remove these things one by one, because we want to upload menu that works. So these comes with the demo content. So I wanna, this is just to show you example of what to display here. So they are saying here, you have to display privacy policy, term condition, contact us, different things here. So we have only to blog about us, because I did not create other. This is just to show you how you can create different pages to display in the footer. First, you have to create all pages in the pages, add new pages. As if you want to keep the same as the footer section, as the header section, you have to first go to my menu. First, let me, we earlier create this my menu, select it. And if you want to same display in the footer as well, just first go to my menu section, because my menu we display in the header section, right? And we create it. So if you select my menu here, and we have to select it for the mobile and the footer section. First, we have to make sure we have completely create our new menu. Earlier we create. Then you can do here one more thing. When you edit the footer, select edit in the menu sections, and here select my menu, same as header. You can display the same as header here. Okay, this way you can change. If you want to create something different, then you have to select that menu, particular menu. First, you can create a menu or create new menu for the footer. Then you have to add these things there, what you want to display in the footer. Let's go to copyright text here. This looks very small. Just click pencil icon, and here in the box change your copyright text. You can delete before the 2021, and it will be 2025. And now created by, you can you can put your own company name here. You can delete Xmas, created by, or designed by, copyrighted. You can put letters, any what you want to display in the copyright, and then publish it. Downside, we have social media icons. If you want to keep, or if you want to delete anything from here, just come over with the mouse, right click, and downside you will see delete option. You can delete all these things if you want to, don't want to keep anything. For, because in the single page mostly people don't display the menu section, because menu section we already in the header. But if you wanna use, you can use as well. Now if you wanna change the Facebook media, you can change it here, but you have to configure it in the theme setting. Let me go to Woodmart theme setting, and let me look for general, and let, where I can change my social media, I will have to look at social profile, enable social profile. Yeah, here link to profiles, there is an option social profile, link to profiles. Just provide your social media links correctly here, and when they click here, it will automatically bring them to the correct account. Make sure you configure, put a good great value here, correct value in the social profile option. Even you can change share buttons, what you want to enable. Share with WhatsApp, you can enable it. You don't want to display LinkedIn, off it, like that. Share profile, instead of follow you want to select share, and that's good. Save changes this way. Okay, now we have complete. You can also check the dark version of the theme, how it look like. This is the light version, dark version, and here in the light version you have to make these things black color. So let me right click, edit mega menu, go to style, and I have to change the style. Color scheme, I have to choose the dark. So if you're editing with the dark version or light version, if the light version, then you have to select dark in the color scheme sections, every color scheme section. Small 14 pixel, make sure it's 22 pixel. So it will be visible to the mobile section easily. So color scheme should be light here because we choose dark. You can try out different colors. Light. Now if I select the black, I should have to select the dark. Color scheme should be dark now. Okay, click publish. Now let's go to our main important thing to edit. First edit our home page. So I will show you how to display different sections. You don't like some section, you want to delete it. Instead of those, you want to talk straight to the point about your company, then products. So let me show you here. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to delete some of the section from the home page, so that will give you an idea. If you're enjoying my video, please hit subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Okay, now if I scroll down, you don't want to display this one. Example, I delete it, and I delete this also. I don't like it, and I have only left product, but I want to display between it something else. So I come over to the down section and click on this plus add section. Now I click on extremos template, so I will able to display something else there. So you can select all, so you can check all the templates. I want to display something about us, like about our business or like that. So let me find something similar. You also have plan section, plan visits. You can use it. I want to use this one. Info box with shadow. Looks good. So insert. Info box with shadow looks beautiful. If I scroll down, I have to copy it. Yeah, this looks good. If you want to, instead of use free shipping, like these things, you can use shadow box in shadow info box. Okay, instead of this one. Let me click again. Now let me find something else, because this is our e-commerce landing page. Yeah, this one example, about us column 2. Click insert, so I will able to display about my business, so they will understand it. You can use this one and change all these things. You can display graphic design instead of it, free shipping, why choose us, shipping information, or like payments, secure payments, things depends on you. Let me click again to find something else with the nice background, or you can use this one, text on full width background. So I will use this one instead of that. So let me scroll down, I delete this one and delete, and I will use this one, copy, and come over to up section before the products, just to paste it, and you can check right away how it look like. We need to give some space to the down section, that's okay, but you can use these things. You can try out different templates, which one you like latest product, you can use this one. How we work, you can use this one. You can display about your business here. So let me try, for example, if you want to display categories, just this is the 6 banner grid, insert it, and you can display different categories. If I scroll down, there are categories. You can use these things and it will looks beautiful. And let me come over here, I want to display it here. Yeah, now you can easily change these things. First let me give some space to the down and up. Click edit section, advanced. In the padding, put value 55, sorry, in the bottom 55. It should be 55. Yeah, 55 looks good. Yeah, perfect. Now you can change easily these boxes. You can display here view more or buy now this product. You can put image of your product here. Then they will come over to the main products, then sale products, customer reviews, and about, finally about your company or shipping information or address, anything. Then we have, let me remove this as well, we have subscribe us. You can modify your subscribe us, but for here where is a sign up button and the box, click on it and it's link backend newsletter form. How you can find it? You can find it, let me try to open contact forms. There should be our newsletter form, or you can go over to MC4 Mailchimp. I'm pretty sure there is a Mailchimp linked here. First you have to link your Mailchimp account by clicking Mailchimp. For the newsletter, you have to first connect your Mailchimp account. You can click here, get your API key here. It will auto bring you to that page and put your API key and connect it. Once it connect, click on forms and you will find your newsletter form right away. Yeah, here this is our newsletter form. You can also review it. If you want to add more stuff, form field, submit button, captcha, pro captcha, and other things, but it's already good to go. Just you need to connect your Mailchimp account, and it will auto pick your forms already you create in the Mailchimp account. If you already have, it will auto show you the forms. Okay, yeah, looks good. And let's try out something else what we can do best. Or you can also search here in the search bar shipping. I want to display about something shipping. You can use this one, shipping options you have. Okay, products. In the products you have a different option. You can try out these. For example, this one, I want to use this one or this one, bordered product. If you like this one, you can choose this one. Let me scroll down to show you how it look like. This one, if you have multiple products like 5 to 10 products, you can use this one. You can change this image, you can display, and it will also look nice in the mobile unit. So you don't need to make it extra efforts. So let me copy it from here and come over to the section you want to display. You don't like it, just delete it. Instead of it, click add section and paste it. You can use this one, or you can delete this one as well. You wanna display this popular product for men, you can edit it. Popular products, you can only put popular, most popular. In the subtitle, put products. Or you can put most popular products. Popular products, and then you can click on to change your products. If you want to display all product, for now it's select all product. You can also select like sale product, feature product here. You have an option, even you can select search your category here. To change this image, 30% discount, come over to the image, right click with the mouse, edit promo banner, and go to background, change that particular image, this one. Okay, you can off this one, you can check all these things if looks good. Then don't forget to make this section as product in the, so we link into to the menu section, right? I will click this section, edit section, come to advanced, CSS ID I will put here. products, products. So they will click products in the menu. They will come over to immediately this section. So let's try out if everything works good. Let me open into new tab. Yeah. Let me try to click products. Yeah, it's working. Reviews, contact, working well. Even you can select in the menu, you can write one more tab like track orders or anything. Then in the downside, you have to put that particular item to track order or something else you want to display. So from here, I have to delete all these things. So this unsubscribe us. After that, we don't want to put anything. So our landing page looks good. But for the color, you can change even this background color of this particular section. So if you want a black and that look very nice, if you make it black, I will show you. Let me first delete the down section after the newsletter. We don't need it because we already copy and paste here. So now let me show you this shipping, make it black. Let me click edit section, go to style, and here let's choose something dark. I want to keep little gray and beautiful. Now if they hover, and it will bring very nice results. Now let's click on, so I have to make all these things white color. So I will go to extra in the style section, choose light here. That's all. Okay, let me repeat again. To change its color, click on edit container and go to style. In the background, first change color and go to down section extremos extra, choose light here. So it will bring white color. So let me publish, and now you will see our landing page will look very nice. This way you can change a different section color. The process is very same for all. You have to choose this thing, extremos extra color scheme. If you use dark, then you have to choose light here. If you choose light in the background, you can choose dark here. That's all. Yeah, it look beautiful. Okay, so if you have any question, just let me you can ask in the comments. I will definitely reply you there. But if you want me to design the complete landing page with we have new creative designs like Figma designs, like latest design website, you can contact us and we can give you best offer for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.